Ignou Diploma in Creative Writing in English, DCE, is an engaging program designed for aspiring writers who wish to hone their craft in various genres of writing. Let's delve into the full details of the program, its guiding principles, and address some common misconceptions and challenges. Program Overview. The DCE program is structured to provide a comprehensive understanding of creative writing and to develop the creative abilities of those interested in pursuing a professional career as freelance writers. The program's duration is a minimum of 1 year and a maximum of 4 years, offering flexibility to learners. Core Principles. The DCE program is built on several key principles. Creativity enhancement, fostering original thought and encouraging students to develop their unique writing styles. Technical skill development, providing a solid foundation in language and writing techniques across various formats. Critical thinking, cultivating the ability to critically analyze one's own work and that of others. Professional preparedness, equipping students with knowledge about the publishing industry and the business aspects of writing. Program structure. The program comprises 2 compulsory courses and 4 elective courses, each worth 4 credits. The courses cover DCE 01, General Principles of Writing, DCE 02, Feature Writing, DCE 03, Short Story, DCE 04, Writing for Media, Radio and Television, DCE 05, Writing Poetry. Students must also complete a project that reflects their learning and showcases their creative skills. Common misconceptions. Ease of completion. There's a misconception that creative writing is easy and requires little effort. In reality, it demands significant practice and dedication. Guaranteed publishing. Some believe that completing the DCE guarantees publishing success. However, publishing is a competitive field that often requires persistence beyond any academic program. Challenges and complexities. Subjective nature. Writing is subjective, and feedback can vary widely, which may be challenging for new writers. Creative blocks. Writers may experience periods where creativity seems to stall, and overcoming these blocks is part of the learning process. Market knowledge. Understanding the complexities of the publishing market is essential and can be daunting for those new to the field. In conclusion, the Ignou DCE program offers a robust curriculum that balances the art of creative writing with practical industry insights. It's a journey that requires passion, commitment, and a continuous desire to learn and improve one's writing craft. For those willing to embrace these challenges, the DCE can be a rewarding educational experience.